Ensure the front and rear panels are flush with the door surface. Confirm the door thickness and whether the mortise can fit. Positioning the mortise. Position according to the guide plate and use the drilling temper to drill. Adjust the latch direction according to the door opening direction. Adjust the direction of the positioning screw according to the door opening direction. Install the mortise. Secure with screws. Install the lock cylinder. Secure with screws. Reverse the front and rear panels according to the door opening direction. Note: pay attention to the arrow direction. Install the screw tube and reinforce with pliers if necessary. Insert the spindle and pass the connecting wires through the wiring hole. Install the front panel. Tighten the mounting plate and secure with screws. Connect the front and rear panel mortise cables. Organize the wires. Note: trim the deadbolt lever to the appropriate length based on door thickness. Install the rear panel. Ensure the panel is aligned, not shifted or tilted, and flush with the door surface. Secure the rear panel with screws. Install the battery cover and power on. Tighten the battery cover screws. Install the rear panel lower cover. Confirm the strike plate position according to the mortise position. Install the strike plate. Test the door opening and closing. Test the door locking. Test the deadbolt.